I don't share the same sentiment.
Yeah.
If you're playing a low block, we need someone who's going to be creative. And because when you're playing a low block, these guys, they'll be congested in the middle.
Yeah.
You understand? If when you go and create space there, they won't follow you. They will stay here. As long as you are not nearer to
The
their
goal.
box, you are not a danger to them. So for that game, I would have put Umbutum. Umbutum why? Mawafai. One mistake, which is there, Tepino,
One mistake
in danger.
goalkeeper.
Yeah?
Lapha menge kuyithola
So
imistake
it's all like
incane.
Mfethu Polo, obvious, Ipolo, the purpose of us going forward is to go to that box. You want someone who's sniffing there, sniffing danger. That if he gets something, not to say Mfethu when Mremi, Atati Rani, ISIT, Pumile, and then you are crosser, there's no one in the box, or Mela Wile mover for people and try.
We don't need crosses, Mr. Liquette, in that game, because that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Crosses are going to find 6 men or 7 men of Skukune. Then it's a waste. What I'm saying, to correct you, we don't need ukuthi vele umuntu naye uzohlangana nathi license. That's why ngisho ukuthi you are in number 10, you're coming with a ball. I'm a police. Uyangikaya, ngiyabeka sikhulu ngithola ispace.
Sure.
That's what I mean. I don't mean ukuthi like now uzofuna ukulokoloku uyenze creativity yakho there. Sifuna iclever umuntu ozolokoloka khona ukuthola ispace. That's what I mean.
When you're playing in low block, I don't think trying to go through the middle is the best option.
What's the best
I think you should penetrate through on my side, because already there is congested. Danger. If you trying to do the same thing, like these guys back now
No, phela ntanga ngeke ibe one. But you can raise your point.
Yeah. So now what I do if I was coach AP, tell him Remy, run to the side, and put even that Skomota guy and put him there no Mutu,
Sure.
Stay there and wait for those balls. I'm telling you, 1 or 2 will bounce, and then it's okay. If you like because immediately when the ball comes, more boxing, there's panic. Even a own goal can come.
Sure.
But if you don't have anyone there in the middle, it will be very difficult.